Sa ogromnim zadovoljstvom ove godine učestvujem u FON-ovoj letnjoj školi koji se odnosi na primjenu poslovne analitike u zaštiti životne sredine, u cirkularnosti, u ekologiji i ostalim veoma bitnim oblastima koje se tiču planete Zemlje i samog opstanka čovečanstva. Meni je bilo mnogo dobro, sjajno mi je bilo, zato što kada vi uđete u učionicu i kada se vi obratite, ovde je bilo 20 ljudi, znači 40 očiju vas gleda izuzetno inteligentnih, izuzetno znatiželjnih, radoznalih, a te su oči od plavih do ne znam kakvih tamno-braunih, tu je svih od različitih fela ljudi i vi shvatite da ste svi na istoj liniji, a ta linija je da smo svi došli da učimo.
NELT već dugi niz godina sarađuje sa Fakultetom organizacijskih nauka. Učešće u programu letnje škole je samo jedan od projekata koji zajedno sprovodimo. Ujedno je i potvrda da NELT održivost vidi kao jedan niz jačanja partnerstva, inovacija i razmene znanja.
Well, I really liked here. The people are great, the sessions are great, the knowledge, the experience. We're doing the case with a real company that we have visited, which was great. We were able to talk to them, we were able to ask questions and to get to know the business, to get to know what is happening in ESG world, how the green transition practically works, what we can do to make changes in this world.
I really came here, I wasn't expecting much, but honestly, I'm gonna take like a truckload of memories with me. I think I had some wonderful experiences. Everyone was so kind and I just loved how friendly and warm everyone was here, and we learned so much and we also enjoyed, and I think we had this perfect balance. And I would just really like to invite, I think a lot of people would have second thoughts. They would be like, oh, should we take this summer school up? I would really recommend it because it's an experience you would not anticipate. You start with low expectations, but you're gonna leave so satisfied and so happy that you took this up. And this is the experience with, while I speak to so many other colleagues, we all started with really less expectations, but as we progressed through the week, we were having so much fun and we enjoyed. And yeah, we're all going back home with a truckload of memories, and hopefully we hope to stay in touch with each other.